Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Yes children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Yes. So in the previous episodes you have studied the term 1. So today we are going to study the term 2 lessons. Okay. So today I am going to take a new chapter, the new lesson, that is the magic tree. Okay, so children, you tell me, if someone gives you a magic stick in your hand and they tell you to ask some wish, okay, so what will you ask? Yes, tell me children, what will you ask? Yes, every students have a different desire, right? They ask different things. For example, if they want like a bike or a cycle, they demand for that. If you want a beautiful garden, you will demand for that, right children? So today in this lesson we are going to study the magic tree. The lesson, the name of the lesson is magic tree. Okay children, let us see. Now you have to open page number 1. Yes children, so today we are going to study the new lesson of term 2, the magic tree. Okay, the magic tree. In this lesson, just you have to imagine children. This is a story. It is a fantasy story. The boy is imagining. Yes. So here, just you have to take out page number 1. A little boy was walking in a park. In the park there was a big tree. Yes children, when you go to the garden, so just you walk there, right, and you see a big tree. You all see the trees, right? So this small boy, just he was walking in the garden and he saw the big beautiful tree, and on that tree it was some nameplate. Can you see this nameplate? Yes, on that nameplate it was written, I am a magic tree. I am a magic tree, says the magic words you will then see. So this tree is telling, it is written that if you say the 2 words, you will get some magic. Okay. So a small boy, just he was walking in the garden, in the park, and he saw a big tree. And on that tree it was written these words. These words are, I am a magic tree, says the magic word you will then see. Yes, it was written children in this way. So next, the boy, he tried to guess the magic words. Here the boy is trying to guess the magic words. Which are they? Just he was thinking that which are the 2 magic words. Just he was thinking for a while, then he have an idea. He thought that maybe some abracadabra. He was thinking that I think this is the magic word. That magic word is abracadabra. Okay. But when he said this words abracadabra, but it was no magic children. So these are not the words, these are no magic words. Then he thought for a while, then he had said that tantarata, tantara. Okay, these are the words, but when he said, it was no magic. Okay, then he was very sad children. He was very tired. Why? Because he was trying and trying these words. That it was no magic, it happened, but none of them worked. He became tired. he was very sad. Why? Because these words were not working. Just he was thinking, please dear tree. He was just with a humble request, he was saying, please dear tree, tell me the words. Which are those words? So let us see what happens. So suddenly, see children, suddenly a big door opened in the trunk. There was a bright sign on it. There was a bright sign on it. Yes children, can you see here? In the trunk there is a small door. Can you see this door? Yes. So suddenly what happened children? It had a magic. Why? Because he humbly requested that, please dear tree, tell me the magic words. Then the tree had some magic and suddenly the small door, can you see the small door? It is opened. Yes. So the trunk, suddenly the big door opened in the trunk. There was a bright sign on it. So children, the boy was very happy when he saw the door was opened. The boy was very happy seeing that, and he said, thank you dear tree. Thank you dear tree. Next page. Yes children, here inside the tree there was a path. When he said the words, automatically the door had opened, and when he entered into the path, it was a narrow path in the trunk. When he went inside, he saw the path with lights. At the end of the path were lots of toys. Yes children, when he entered into the path, he saw the many toys were kept there. Can you see this? Teddy bear, giraffe. Right children, there were many toys like a car, motorbike. Yes. So he was very happy seeing that. Why? Because children, when you get surprising suddenly any gift from anyone, you are so happy, no? Yes. The same way the boy also was very happy. Please and thank you are the magic words. Yes children, the two magic words was please and thank you. These are the magic words. Don't you agree? Yes. So children, this is a short story of a fantasy world. So the boy is imagining the story, right children? So he was very happy that he got so many toys inside the trunk of the big tree, and the two magic words were please and thank you. Okay children, so these are the words children. You have to learn it. You have to learn this new words. What are the new words? Yes, sign, magic, tired, trunk and bright. So these are the new words children. You have to read it, okay, with the spellings. Now children, you have to take out a pencil and one eraser with you. So we will solve this exercise, okay? We will solve this exercise. Yes children, the first question A1, fill in the blanks with the right words from the story. Yes. So the first fill in the blank is, in the park there was a dash with a dash on it. So children, what was there? Yes, there was a tree, right. In the park there was a tree with a dash on it, with a sign on it, with a sign on it. Okay, you have to write very neatly. Yes. Have you written, children? Very good. So we will go for the next sentence, next fill in the blank, that is, the boy tried to guess the dash words. The boy tried to guess the dash word. What will be the answer here? Magic words. What will you write here? Magic words. Okay, the answer is magic. The next one, the third one, he said some words and a big door opened in the dash. He said some words. What are the words? Please and thank you. Yes. He said some words and a big door opened in the trunk. In the trunk. Okay, children? Trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. The next fourth fill in the blank is, at the end of the path were lots of dash. Yes, children, when the boy entered into the path, what he had seen? He saw the toys. He had seen the toys. At the end of the path were lots of toys. Okay, lots of toys. The fifth one is, dash and dash are the magic words. Dash and dash are the magic words. Yes, children, tell me which are the two magic words? Which are the two magic words? Yes, please and thank you. So you will write here, please and thank you. Please and thank you are the magic words. Right, children? Yes. Now let us see the B question. Tick the right option. Tick the right option. There are two options, children. You have to tick for the right one. Yes, read it. The door opened when the boy said. Yes, when did the door had opened, children? When he said abracadabra? No. Then he said please? Yes, when he said please, automatically the door was opened. So this is the wrong answer. Abracadabra is the wrong answer and the right answer is please. So you will tick mark for the option B, that is please. Okay. The next one, you will open page number 4, children. Yes. Page number 4. The second one is, the boy could see the path after he said. Yes, the boy could see the path. When he saw the path, children, when he said tantara or he said thank you. Yes, when he said thank you, he saw the path. Okay, this is the A1 is the right option. Okay children, now let us study the language in use. The language in use. So children, read this sentence. These are the describing words. In this paragraph, there are some describing words. Yes. So children, read this sentence. A little boy was walking in a park. Yes. Here a boy is a noun. Boy is a noun. Yes. So little, this word describes the little boy. Right children? So the describing word is little. Just pay attention children. No need other. If you want to underline, you can underline also. Little is a describing word. Next one, a big door opened. Yes, the big door was opened. Now tell me children, in this sentence, which is a describing word? Big. Very good. Big is a describing word. Yes. The word little tells us more about the boy. Yes children. This little word tells you more about the boy, the little boy. The word big, yes, the word big, it tells you more about the door. They are describing words. They tell us more about the naming words. They tell about the naming word, means noun. Okay. Now next one is question A. Choose the right describing word from these faces. Okay children. So here some describing words are given in this box, like old, happy, sad, joyful and angry. Yes. So you have to choose and write in the correct option. Yes children, the first one is done for you. This girl is sad here. So already the first one is done for you. So the second one, what that boy is doing there children, tell me? Yes, he is very happy. He is feeling very joyful. Okay, so we have to choose here the word and you have to write it here. Joyful. Seeing the picture, you have to choose the correct word from the given option. Yes children, this girl, she is standing here, right? What expressions are there on her face? Just see in your textbook and tell children. Yes, she is angry. She is angry. Okay, she is angry. Next one, here a old grandma is sitting on a chair. So here there are some words, you have to choose it, right? Old, old, right children? Yes. Now the next one is the girl, she's eating a lollipop, right children? If anyone gives you a chocolate or a lollipop, you feel very happy, right children? So here you will write the word happy. Okay, very good children. So the next one is, the question is circle the right describing word. Okay, circle circle the right describing word. See children, here there are some sentences and you have to circle the describing word. You have to circle the describing word. Sonal has a shiny warm ring. Shiny or a warm, these two words are given there and you have to circle the describing word. So shiny is a describing word, right? Yes. So the next one, the next sentence is the ice cream was very tall or cold. Yes children, here the ice cream, it is described cold, okay, and the describing word is cold. Very good. The next third one, look at that pretty sad butterfly. The butterfly is pretty or sad? Which is the correct describing word? Yes, very good. Look at the pretty. Butterflies are very pretty children. There are very colorful butterflies, okay, and when you see the butterfly you feel very pleasant, right children? So the butterfly is very pretty. So this is the describing word. The next one, the neat or hungry mouse ate the cheese. Yes, tell me now which is the right answer? Hungry, very good. The hungry mouse ate the cheese. Okay. The next one, the fifth one is, we saw an angry or a funny clown at the circus. Yes, the clown, the joker is very funny, no children? Clown means joker, right? Yes. When you see the joker, how his face is there? It's angry or funny? Yes, it is funny. So you will circle for funny. We saw a funny clown at the circus. Okay children? So the remaining exercise here, read these sentences, okay? Here are some sentences children, words with the same meaning. There was a large tree in the park. Yes, there was a large tree in the park. And the next one is, there was a big tree in the park. See children, large and big, these two words are similar words. These two words are similar and the meaning also is same. Large and big. These two words are having the same meaning children. Yes. Both the words large and the big have the same meaning. Yes. Large and big are the same words. Yes children, now we will go for the next question. Yes. Next question is, match the words in the column A with words that have almost the same meaning in the column B. Yes children, in the A column and in the B column some words are given to you. Yes? Yeah. First one is cold, second one is little, third one is neat, fourth one is hot and fifth one is right. And in the B column you see clean, correct, small, chilly and warm. Yes, cold. So just cold, you have to find out the word having the same meaning children here. Cold, chilly. Yes, chill. So you have to match it in this way. Okay? Cold, chilly. Chilled. We say no, where it is very chilled. Yes. The next word is little. Next word is little. Little, you have to find the same meaning, children. It is small. Very good. Little, small. Okay? Yeah. The next one is neat. Neat, clean. Neat, clean. These both words sounds different, but the meaning is same. The fourth one is hot. Fourth one is hot, children. Yes, hot means, yeah, when you drink a milk or a soup, it is hot, no? Yes, which is a similar word for hot, which is a similar word, children, here? Warm. Very good, warm. The next one is right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Right means sahi, correct. The same word is correct. For the right, correct. Okay? Yes, children. So, now the remaining assessment of speaking and listening you will continue at home. Yes, children? Yes, children. I hope you all understood the lesson. So once again, you read this short story at home, put a finger and read the sentences, words loudly, children. Okay? Once again, you have to read the whole lesson and see that you have written the exercises correctly or no. So children, in the next period, I am going to take the next lesson, that is a child's song. Okay? Until then, children, bye, take care.